Brutally cold temperatures back in the forecast overnight tonight as we head towards early Thursday morning. Today, high temperatures didn't even make it out of the single digits in Rochester. We were able to see some sunshine because of that high pressure that's just off to our north and northwest. We'll talk about that high, but first, have to worry about a wind chill advisory in place overnight tonight into early Thursday morning. So starting Thursday at midnight, lasting until 9 a.m. for Thursday. That's for areas in light blue behind me. That's because wind chills potentially drop down close to around 20 to 25 degrees below zero. So what's happening in the atmosphere? We have a very strong Arctic high. Now, when the high pressure is off to the west and northwest, we have a clockwise movement around a high pressure system that's driving in some of that cold Arctic air that we're experiencing right now. Another reason why we're, well, A, sunny, and B, at least some calmer winds and cold nights because of the high pressure system. Now, as this starts to move off to our east, that's when we start to have warmer temperatures because of that clockwise movement around a high pressure system, drawing in some south-southwesterly winds. We have that over the weekend. Now, the atmosphere has to even itself out. We have a very, very strong high pressure system. Next week, it could be looking at a strong low pressure system bringing some active weather to the southeast Minnesota, northeast Iowa. This is our next weather maker, eventually moving out of the Rocky Mountains region, I think impacting the area Monday into Tuesday. That will be our next best chance for some snowfall. Before we get to that, though, we look at beautiful conditions coming up for the weekend. Now, it's cold outside, currently 6 degrees, and through the next 6 hours on our Lewis and Live camera, we'll drop those temperatures down below zero by about 9 o'clock tonight. And then I think for the most part, we stay below 0 degrees for our air temperatures. Wind chills will be even worse than that. We're down close to around 15 to 20 degrees below zero. Satellite and radar, there's that high pressure system. Again, that clockwise movement bringing down the cold air. Now, the high pressure system will actually act as a buffer for us tonight and early tomorrow morning, keeping most of that snowfall well to the south of I-90. As we zoom in here, pretty quiet conditions, a little bit of cloud cover to the south of Mason City and Waterloo, but for the most part, we'll just stay quiet overnight tonight with some pretty clear skies. Futurecast, watch temperatures as we head towards tomorrow morning. All of a sudden, we'll drop well below 0 degrees as we head towards early Thursday morning. Temperatures right around 12 degrees below zero. That's our air temperature. Our feel-like conditions by early tomorrow morning, well, will be close to around 22 degrees below zero by 6 a.m. Getting better, and it improves through the afternoon, 2 below and then 1 below for the feel-like temperature, with highs making their way hopefully out of the single digits for tomorrow. So your town forecast for tonight, we'll have those clear skies, overnight lows ranging anywhere from 13 to about 15 degrees below zero. In southeast Minnesota, more of the same in northeast Iowa. We'll have those overnight lows right around 12 to 14 degrees below zero. As we head towards next week, we'll have a very slight chance for some snow late Monday, mainly into your Tuesday. But Tuesday looks to be the day coming up in this 7-day stretch.
And still too far out to really know what to expect.
Yeah, too far out for totals. Models are somewhat in agreement, but I would say for the most part, we'll have active weather across the upper Midwest coming up early next week. Just depends on track and timing.
Okay, thank you, Nick. Let's take a look at what's coming up.